Hello there, welcome to another super easy tutorial. I'm Dave, and today I'm going to show you how to delete the cache and the cookies from Google Chrome, so stay with me. It is important to know a little bit about the basic concepts of these two components. The cache is going to store information, so next time you try to open a website, it will load faster. And the cookies are the ones that are stored in your computer regarding the information about your username, passwords, preference. So next time you want to visit a website, you don't even have to put your credentials. Okay, now with those concepts clear, we can proceed to the configuration to clear the cache and delete the cookies on Google Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is to open Google Chrome. In there, you want to go to this little button right there, then go to More Tools, and then you can click that option right there that says Clear Browsing Data. Click there, and you were able to see this option right there, which it will allow you to set up the time range that you want to clear the cache or delete the cookies. The last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, all time, all your history. You can also delete all your browsing history if you needed to. So with these two options right there, you just have to clear the final option here that says clear data. You also have this advanced tab right there that it will allow you to delete passwords or anything that you have out of field in any website. So once you are all done, you can hit that clear data button. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you know how to clear the cache and delete the cookies. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please hit that like button right there and subscribe to my channel. Namaste and see you in the next tutorial.